Here, so. Here.
Okay, leave me alone. Okay, leave me alone, Jace. Okay, go ahead, Danny. All right, I'm recording. Hey, Russell. Hey, baby. Oh, she's smelly now. Sit down, Jessica, so I can see. Sit down.
Russell.
Smelling me.
I don't think it's pink.
Russell. Wait, put her down right there, babe. Move back a little bit. Can you move back a little bit? Russell, what does Daddy have? Oh. Yeah, I'm ready. You don't have to hold her. Do you? Smelling her. It's a baby, Russell. What is it?
What is it, Russell?
Smelly. That's why you have to smell each other's butt.
What is it, boy?
She's like, okay, pervert.
Oh my God,
Put your feet
Jessica, sit up.
What is it, boy?
Feet up.
Pick up your feet, Jessica.
What is
It's
it,
alright.
Russell?
It's alright, Jessica.
Russell, he's too young to play with like that.
Look at him.
She's got to accept him.
Yeah.
He has to accept him.
They have to get used to each other.
What is it, Russell? What is it, Russell?
I think it's a little rat. I want to eat it.
What is it, Russell?
Oh, babe, I got your butt.
Next class, please.
I can't see him.
Excuse me.
Oh, I think you need to get a smaller gate because I think she could go under it. She's got her pop. She's like,
Whoa. There she goes.
What is it, Russell?
Just in her. Like lie down.
She wants you to put your put your legs down, Jessica. It's okay. If she wants to hide behind your legs, that's okay. Oh, look. She's playing with her. She's playing with Russell.
She's afraid or... What is it, Russell? Russell. What is it, Russell?
Stop going behind me.
It's your wife, Russell.
It's your wife.
What is it, boy?
She's like, Danny, save me.
She's trying to hide behind you, Danny.
Sit on the sofa, Danny.
She's 7 months right now?
Careful.
7
She's like,
weeks.
oh.
7 weeks?
What is it, Russell? You like it? You like it, Russell?
Russell's
They're
tail's
so
waving.
adorable.
You like it, Russell? Russell, come here, Russell.
She's like, Daddy, pick me up, Daddy.
Boy, like Russell.
He's like,
Oh, I like her. I like her a lot.
she is class.
Okay, should I stop recording? Oh, look.
Go put her down.
One drink.
Oh, she's pawing her.
Where'd you go? She went under the sofa.
Russell, take it easy, Russell. You're too wild. Take it easy.
She's getting away.
She's like, get away.
What is it, boy? What is it, Russell?
Oh, she's like, help me, help me. Russell.
Come here, Russell.